you're doing a great job. I think that's it. What do you think? Should we turn it off? There we go. Grace. Hey, Grace. Did you have fun vacuuming? Can you look at the camera and say, vacuuming is fun?
Vacuum is fun.
All right.